This Chinese electric SUV is packing 578 horsepower and 3 laser radars. And honestly, it might just be the most underrated luxury EV nobody's talking about. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Avatr 11 Royal Edition. And let me tell you, this thing is absolutely loaded with tech that makes Tesla look almost basic. So what makes this SUV special? Well, for starters, it's a collaboration between three giants. Changan Automobile handles manufacturing, CATL provides the battery technology, and Huawei supplies the brains. That's right, Huawei's advanced driver assistance system with not one, not two, but 3 laser radars scanning everything around you. The design is striking. We're looking at a fastback crossover silhouette with sleek LED lighting and an aerodynamic profile that actually serves a purpose beyond just looking good. The Royal Edition gets exclusive two-tone paint in Yao Gray and Yao Black, plus those gorgeous 22-inch 7-spoke forged wheels that absolutely command attention. Now let's talk performance. The dual-motor all-wheel drive setup cranks out 578 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 62 happens in under 4 seconds with a top speed limited to 124 miles per hour. The larger 116.79 kilowatt-hour battery delivers up to 422 miles of range on the CLTC cycle. But here's where it gets really impressive. The 750-volt architecture supports 240 kilowatt fast charging. That means you can add 124 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Think about that for a second. Coffee break charging that actually works. Step inside and you're greeted by luxury that rivals anything from Germany. The dashboard features 3 screens working in harmony, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, a massive 15.6-inch infotainment display running Huawei's Harmony OS, and another 10.25-inch screen just for your passenger. The Royal Theatre Edition takes it even further with a 25-speaker British audio system and semi-aniline leather throughout. But it's not just about screens and speakers. The Royal Edition comes standard with dual zero-gravity seats that feature heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. We're talking first-class airline comfort here. The attention to detail extends to every surface you touch, with premium materials and a minimalist design philosophy that feels incredibly modern. One quirky feature that actually makes sense: the digital rear-view mirror. Because of that sloping fastback roofline, visibility would be compromised with a traditional mirror. So Avatr went fully digital from day one. Plus, there's this unique LED notification strip between the hood and windshield that lights up when you approach the vehicle. It's those little touches that separate premium from truly luxurious. The autonomous driving capabilities are next level. Huawei's ADS 3.0 system handles everything from parking space to parking space with highway lane changes, traffic light recognition, and pedestrian detection, all working seamlessly together. Starting around $48,400 for the base all-wheel drive model and topping out near $70,000 for the Royal Theatre Edition, the Avatr 11 delivers serious value in the luxury EV space. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest EVs. Drop a comment below if you'd actually consider this over a Tesla Model X. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.